Bublup is the place for creative professionals to manage their work. Whether you're a photographer, designer, videographer, writer, or anything in between, Bublup gives you a better way to organize and share any type of content in one place. Get started by making folders for your projects. Your folders can contain endless subfolders, allowing for even more organization. To populate them, click on the plus button and select the content you want to add. You can create notes, save links, or upload any file type with one tap. You can even share large files as a single link, allowing anyone quick access from a pretty landing page. Sharing with team members and clients is a breeze. You can invite people to your folders with a tap and set their permissions accordingly. Trying to win a new client? You can save time by grouping multiple items into a beautiful branded portfolio known as a role. Roles can be shared with anyone outside of Bublup via a single link in emails, social posts, link in bios, texts, and more. Bublup is the app for keeping all of your creative work in one safe and easy-to-manage place. Unleash your creative potential and boost your productivity with Bublup